How to recover LinkedIn account without email and phone number. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily recover your LinkedIn account if you don't have access to either of your email or phone number. So just go ahead and tap on LinkedIn first, and once you land on the homepage, tap on Forgot Password. Now, if you don't have access to your email, that's alright. You can just enter your email first, then tap on Next. And LinkedIn will send you a code to this email, but if you don't have it, just tap on Can't access this email. And here you will just have to enter your new email address and re-enter the address. If you have, you can also enter your public profile URL. And once you have entered your new address, you can choose your country for identity verification. You can choose anything and then tap on Next. Now you'll just have to provide your government issued ID. So just tap on Verify with Persona, or you can just tap on Not Now. And here you can just go ahead and log in with your ID. So just tap on Continue. And once you have done that, you will just have to upload a ID that has your clear picture and your name and all of your details. And if it matches with your account, then you will get your access back to your account. And it's pretty simple as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.